Greetings to one and all. So the project that we are proposing for the TiDB Future Hackathon 2023 is PromptHub, basically like a GitHub for the ChatGPT prompts. So our team name is Zio.js and it consists of myself and my teammate Fahim. A small introduction about the project. PromptHub actually has four main target audience. One is the developers, the creators, the startups, and the people who work on the research side. So, for example, let's take an example of a particular developer, right? He's one of our target audience, and he's facing some compatibility issues. So, what he actually usually does is that he gets some errors in his code, so he goes to ChatGPT for code, and the code which is provided by ChatGPT, he would be pasting it in the compiler and run it. But the thing is that mostly the code would not run. This is because of the version errors that he might be facing. The code provided by ChatGPT must be of version 16, but in his code he must have installed version 18, which is the latest one. So this is a problem that he was facing, right? What he does without PromptHub is that he would go manually to the React docs, copy paste the entire syntaxes through all the pages and paste it into the ChatGPT prompt and say, just take this as an example and generate me the code again. So ChatGPT will generate the version 18 code for him. What he can do is he can go to PromptHub and search for version 18 React, something like that, and when he finds a particular repository he can click on it, and there would be a pre-trained ChatGPT model which is actually trained for version 18. So he just need to click on that particular code, like continue with this thread. So once he clicks on that, he would be able to get all the responses from ChatGPT from version 18 itself. He doesn't need to manually copy or paste anything. So this is how PromptHub actually helps. Similar to this, each sector's main issues listed in the table is being addressed and provided with a solution through PromptGPT. Uh, let's take a demo into the application. So this is what the main page of PromptHub look like. So I've actually signed in already. How we have used TiDB in our project. We have actually used this option called connect. We have used this part as our connection string. I can go to the submit option and I can type the prompt which I would like to post in the prompt hub. For example, let me just create an prompt here and then submit it. Yeah, the prompt is successfully submitted and it will redirect me to the repository which it was created. So here will be the prompt, pre-trained prompt, which I have posted on the uh, prompt hub. So through this, you can continue this conversation. So just when you click on here, it will connect me to the OpenAI API, and I would be able to continue uh, chatting with this pre-trained model. So this is the basic understanding of how PromptHub works. So how do you generate that URL which you need to submit? You can go to ChatGPT. Once you go to ChatGPT, you can click on this share option. Here I would be able to copy the link. So let's take a small demo on how can we extract the data from our prompt hub in TiDB interface. So I'll just giving a small SQL query. So this will fetch me all chat prompts data from the test database. So we can verify it has been successfully integrated with the TiDB cloud interface. Okay, now let's take a look at some future plans for PromptHub. The first thing is that we are trying to create an fork option which will let the other users to contribute to a particular pre-trained prompt in an open source manner. So if they want to contribute, they can just fork it, make the changes, and give a PR. And next is that we are trying to improve the UI because it's pretty bad now, and we'll be working on it. And then is we are trying to scale the entire architecture with Prisma because Prisma actually delivers a lot of other features other than the authentication part. We have only used the authentication part and connection for TiDB using Prisma. So, thank you.